Gye tuli tuyimba era tuzanya naye bw'oba ssennyo wansi ojja kulaba nga tebexploitinze ekyo bandibadde bakola ki exploit.
Kiwulisiza kitya okulaba ng'abaana bano Anderson bali nno ne Alan Toniks bawakanya motion yo gy'oyisiza ate nga naawe okubira bannange batasobola kwebuuza.
Ndowooza tulina kubabuulira buwulizi na kumanya. Today oli bw'oli ate olala bikyukamu. Ba minorities banyigirizibwa kuba abantu tebategeera kyebaagala oba kyebeetaaga. Kati bannange wabali muno sibanenya nabo bwe batyo kyebategedde. Naye nga mbakubiriza bukubiriza nti bamanye nti eri abo abeetaaga voice okuba ng'eyitibwamu. Kuba kati batandika okuteeseza mu board ebintu byabwe bijja kukola ki bijja kulekebwa mabega. Twetaaga stages ze tuperformingirako nga ziri flexible. Stages ze tukolerako nga zitegeerekeka, amabaala mwe tuperformingira nga gategeerekeka nga galina standards ezaffe abalina obulemu. Ebadde cry yange. So bw'otafuna muntu akukiikirira bijja kusigala emabega. Ate era mutandika okubeera ne complaints ebweru eyo nga biganya okukola ki okutambula. Naye kabanga katono n'ate ne kayonoona ebintu byonna. So ebadde cry yange sigirese mbubi ne mu kukulaakulanya industry fenna nga tuli ki fenna nga tuli wamu.
Ensonga endala gyogeddeko enjwenjiga byaleseyo okukuba emisubiri abayimbi abaali badde basaana okutuula.
Yes, abayimbi baffe ensoma yaffe buli omu agimanyi. Music atutwala nnyo oba ati atutwala nnyo oluusi ensoma yaffe n'ekola ki n'ebeera nyimpiyimpi naye ate entegeera n'ebeera ki ng'eri waggulu. So nze ndowooza lwo bebaleseeyo olwaki olw'ekyo nga batukoledde bulungi olw'entegeera yaabwe so olw'ensoma yaabwe. So nandowooza nti bandibadde baadjusting a little bit ku education level. Nakyo kirungi okutula ne ba professors nga bwe mubawulidde baleeta amagezi academically naye ate n'abaana abalala bayinza okuleeta amagezi socially nga bajja eno mu bantu ne bakireeta mu bwongo. Naye nga kirungi, let us try it, let us embrace it, kitambule wamu naffe.
Of the board, we have to look into that, considering women, disabled, and whatever, because PWDs have to be represented on the board. So allow me, members, to move a motion to adopt the amendments as Madam has read to us. Can somebody second me?
You know, we need gender balance, we need PWDs, all people, the bachelor's is too high. I want you to look at this like you said, it's a public company. If you were going to put your money in a bank, and they told you that the board of this bank was determined not on the basis of qualification or competence, but just to gender balance and to keep people happy, would you put your money in that bank? No. Because this is a business, you know. You know, so even if you are the one, we need competence. And the positions on the board have been open for anybody to apply. It is free for anybody to apply. But as artists who have been, please, allow me to speak my mind. Yes, allow me to speak my mind. Like you spoke your mind. Allow me to speak my mind. Well, things have been wrong for so long because of this kind of thinking. We want competence. I want people that I'm confident in. Yes, if you are PW and you are competent, hallelujah, let's go with it. If you are a lady and you're competent, I support. However, if the only basis of membership is just because we need representation, no, this is a business. This is a business that's supposed to earn money for people. We want people that are accountable. We want people that will perform. That is what we are like. We are all seated here because things are not going right. We can't go back into the same cycle, the same rat race, because these things of repairs have been going on for so long. So let's, like he said, look forward, but I beg the people, even as you vote, confidence, competence. Who is going to represent you? Who is going to actually do these things they're talking about? Who is going to turn the 170 million into 100 billion? Thank you. That's what we want. Let's not forget about these other things.
They failed, not so.
Thank you.
They tried and they were given their chance, right? Yes. Right now we've got a new board. I mean a new committee that is helping us. our caretakers. They've done what they've done, and we've looked into it, and it's perfectly well, and we're gonna choose the people who are going to take this thing well ahead. At least what we liked so much is that part of education. So we need people whom they can tell and understand something as fast as possible. Than someone they can tell, because he has given an example of a bank. Border riders, they can't go there and they say that ono muntu yatukulira wano ku border therefore agenda abale sente zaffe kubanga ki kubanga banka okitegeera. So let us get qualified people to take ekintu kyaffe ahead, ekino kintu kyaffe ffenna